trout fishing, I'm actually going to head down to one of my holdover spots. So when it gets really hot, stock trout, they actually die off. So they tend to migrate to areas where there's deeper water and a little more water flow so they can get oxygen. So I'm going to go to that spot and see if I can get myself some big old trout. You know what it is by now, Eastern PA fishing. Let's get right to the fishing. Oh, by the way, I've already been to this spot earlier, so the first portion of this video is going to be in shorts and the second is going to be in jeans. So if you want to call me out, there you go. Now you can't. Eastern PA fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing. Alright guys, so if you didn't exactly understand what I meant in the intro by now you guys can't call me out. I was here earlier and I kind of didn't film any intro. I didn't really know what was going to go on. I was just going to kind of fish and then maybe patch you guys in along as I go. So I came here earlier. I was in shorts. It's a bunch of poison ivy and 7-minute itch, stinging nettle, whatever you really want to call it. Good time fishing, but it was not a good time getting to the spots. So I was fishing and my battery actually died. So I came back. Anyway, long story short, when I'm fishing, some of the footage will be from earlier today and the rest will be from right now. Anyway, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now the stuff all around me, 7-minute itch. I'm trying to step it down as I go, but I'm obviously still getting a whole bunch on me. So yeah, that's this stuff right here. If you're walking through that type of stuff, it's gonna make you itchy. Be ready for that. Things I do to make a fishing video. I don't really mind the 7-minute itch too much. I usually tend to get it so bad by the end of the summer, it doesn't even bother me because I have a tolerance to it. But yeah, you want to watch out walking through weeds and stuff like this. Always check yourself thoroughly for ticks. Just be careful when you're out here. Make sure you aren't walking through a bunch of stuff you don't know what it is, or be aware of your surroundings. Basically what I'm telling you. Alright, here's another plant you guys want to avoid when you're out in the woods. That is poison ivy. See it right there? Take a good look. Don't forget it. Grows up on trees. Also grows out of the ground, like this right here. You want to avoid that stuff at all costs, guys. Getting itchy just thinking about it. That's a giant trout. That's a giant rainbow. Oh man, I really don't want to lose this fish. Holy crap. That's a big fish. Dang guys, look at the size of this fish. This is my PB rainbow for sure. Man, listen to me. Oh man, he took that right away. I think this fish has been here a while. Really don't want to lose this trout, guys. He's coming. Look at the size of this trout. Oh my gosh. Yo. Personal best rainbow, definitely. Oh man. What a fighter. Whoa, don't take me that way, dude. Don't take me that way. Oh my gosh. He popped off, guys. Oh my gosh. Little guy. Little brown. This one ain't getting away. I got him. Look at the colors on this guy. Here he is, guys. Beautiful brown. There he goes. Oh, I can't believe I lost that rainbow though. Might throw a little inline spinner on, I don't know. This action is sweet. There's one. You got it on the crank. And you didn't have to try too hard for him. Just cast and wind. There we go. A little brown. Back into the water. Number 2. That was another huge trout. That was another freaking huge trout. I think I got him. Yeah, it's a good fish. That's a good trout. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's a giant. Come on. Don't play me like the last one did. I think I got this one good, guys. Oh my gosh. What a beast. Man, he saw me and he just took off like a rocket. Oh my gosh. This is a giant trout, guys. Man, I can't let him play me like the last one did. Got to keep the pressure. I have small little trebles. This one actually isn't as big as the last one, but this is a whopper. Look at the size of this trout. Oh, come on, man. Oh my freaking gosh. I can barely hold him. Look at this rainbow. Oh my gosh, guys. That is a trophy rainbow. Oh my gosh, he just murked that little rebel jerkbait. Look at that guy. Holy smokes. Look at this fish, guys. I don't know if you could catch a more beautiful rainbow. He's kicking a little bit. There he goes. He's gonna be all right, guys. Whew, yes. That was awesome. That was my personal best rainbow ever for sure. After big fish like that, you always want to make sure you check your line. Make sure it's not frayed. Mine's frayed a little bit, so I think I might retie. You always want to make sure you retie after a big fish, or you'll lose what you're throwing. So I'm going to the infamous little pink trout worm by Berkeley. These things are pretty much unstoppable. I do have a little split shot on here, one a little bit bigger than I usually use. My bait is about a foot and maybe like a quarter away from my split shot, just because this is deeper water. I'm just doing a little cast right in front of me. Nothing too big, just to start out. I think there are some trout right here. Yep, we got one. Oh, I had one. Maybe not. There we go. Whoa. This is a big one. Whoa. That's even bigger than the last one. Holy crap, I hope my camera does not die. This is the biggest trout I've ever freaking seen. Holy crap. And he is a brute. Oh my gosh, this is a huge trout, guys. I don't think I've ever seen a trout this big. Holy crap. He's coming back this way. Yeah, he's coming back this way. Holy. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Oh, you just spat it. Holy moly, guys. That was... I'm about to pass out. That was the biggest trout I've ever seen in my entire life. got a giant, guys. Man, this is the spot of the giants. He's right on the lip. Come on. Don't shake that. Don't shake that. There's nowhere to go. Just trying to rub it off on some rocks. Woo, man, this is a feisty trout. Man, come on, bro. This is a super feisty trout. I think I got him good though, hopefully. Nope. You're mine, bud. Gotta land this fish, guys. He's right on the lip. Oh my gosh. Just another giant rainbow. Whoa, he's flipping all over. He really wants to go. Here he is. Just another giant rainbow, guys. Look at the size of him. That's a beautiful stalker. Whew. Let's get him back. There she goes. That is a beautiful trout. Oh, I got another giant. Another giant rainbow, guys. Dang, listen to him. He's just making this scream. I was actually just wheeling that in. He just slayed it. Oh, man. Come on. My battery's about to die, though. So I gotta land this guy quick. It's not as big as the last one. Just as beautiful. Oh my gosh. I gotta land him quick. Gotta keep his head up. He's right on the lip. Oh. I almost had him. Almost had him. The camera's about to die, guys. He's right on the lip. I can't let him spit this. I gotta land him quick. Get him up out of the water. Yes. There we go. There we go. Another crazy beautiful rainbow trout. Look at this guy, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, I had him. I got him. That was number 3 for the day. Those giant rainbows. Oh gosh. I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay here, guys. It is getting pretty dark. I pretty much got what I came here for. There was definitely a trout earlier that I hooked that was bigger than all the ones I caught today. I'm telling you, these were some of the smaller ones. But I'm just gonna throw this a couple more times, see if I can catch one more maybe. And we're gonna call it a day for sure. I gotta get out of here.